Hello RV people, how's everybody doing? Alright, on this video today we're gonna install this Beach Lane RV fridge fan. So this is a Winnebago 2019 model. So this refrigerator right now, in Vegas, it's like 110, 110 degree Fahrenheit. So it's not performing it at its best. So this refrigerator, basically, this fan, we're gonna install it here, just gonna clip in here, and then my goal is to tap to the 12-volt power to the fridge light. So as you can see, there's a red light and there's a black wires. So I'm just gonna, it comes with red and black wires. So I'm just gonna strip it over there and tap to that. Yeah, we're just gonna cut these two and then strip them on both sides and then wire them up to the fan. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so before we start this project, make sure that you turn off your 12-volt power. So I'm gonna disconnect the house battery and then also I'm plugged in outside to shore power, so I'm gonna unplug. That's the first step, and then yep, we're gonna cut this both sides and then tap the wires to this. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so now we cut this wire coming from the fridge into two and then stripped both sides, and now we're gonna attach them to red and black to black. That's the first step. Let's do that. Alright, now that's connected. Next is joining this fan wire to red, black to black, and then we're gonna use this. They send you, Beach Lane send you these things, these crimpers. I don't know, crimpers or they call it. You just put it on top of the wires, and you can yeah, secure connection, or you can use the blue ones. If you, my case, the wire is going to be hanging outside, so the blue one's not going to take any space. If you have to, depends on your RV fridge. If your light need to be plugged in back on the side of the wall, some of the fridges have that kind of light, and then you need more, you can use the gray ones because they're smaller, so they're not gonna, when you plug back your lights, they're not gonna take too much space. Up to you. So now, yeah, let's do that. Let's connect the fan wires to these wires. All right. So now everything's connected. I clip the fan to the fridge. It comes with its own clip, so you just clip it to these fins. That's done, and then all the wires are connected. Somehow I couldn't be able to use these crimper things. Somehow it wouldn't, so I just used tape, electric tape, and now the red to red, black to black, super connected. And now we're gonna plug the light, which is right here. This light is gonna plug to that, and then I'm gonna screw it. It screws on the top. I mean, for this kind of, for this fridge, the light is screwed here, on the right here. So I'm just gonna put the two screws, and then we're gonna turn on the 12-volt power, and then test. All right, let's do that. All right, so now everything is connected. I put the light back, put everything in, tucked in the wires. So now, moment of truth. Let's turn on the 12-volt and test. All right, so let's turn on the house battery. Okay, right here. On, and then let's see the fan, turn it on, and then close the fridge, and you heard that? I hear the fan running. Yeah. So now if we open the door, let's see if it stops. Hear that? It's running. then turn it off. Wow, awesome. Yep, that's how you connect your fan. Let's see, pretty good. Circulates the, yeah. So let's see how fast the refrigerator is gonna cool. So I'm gonna turn it on right now. It's around 3 a.m. right now in the morning, and then see. We're gonna test. We have our temperature. Right now it's oh my goodness, it's below 80. So yeah, let's see. Maybe after 6 hours, let's see where the gauge is gonna be. I'll keep you updated. All right, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Ciao.